Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. Its biggest concern is the same as yours, your family. That's why the Odyssey is the champion of meeting your family's needs. It comes with great features you love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, smart entry key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states in everyday driving, the Odyssey suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings are not so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.